Hello, fourth form. So just a quick introduction to the lesson today, Tuesday 24th of March. Just to be aware, you do have a natural hazards test coming up on Thursday the 2nd of April. We will also be aiming to do a live lesson on GoToMeeting this Friday 27th of March, 8:30 to 9:20. That will be when we will be kicking off our new topic of ecosystems. And if you're new to GoToMeeting, you need to download the app, and you will see that the lesson ID is down at the bottom. Also, when you do log into that, I know when we were casting into classes, you guys had your cameras on, but I would ask from now on that you join us with sound only, no video to me, and I won't be giving video to you. It will just be me kind of talking over a presentation and stuff, so you'll be able to see my screen. And key work deadlines for this week. You guys will see there is a 9 marker to complete today. So if you can complete that, due in by Wednesday 25th of March. And Thursday 26th of March, I would like to see, end of the day, some evidence of revision for natural hazards, because that's what we'll be doing in the next lesson on Thursday. So for this lesson, you must watch the videos on the presentation and make notes. You will see the presentation is down at the bottom. It's the Mitigating Climate Change presentation. This is the one that we started last week, and we will finish it off. You should complete the 9-mark question, and you should complete the activities on page 55. If you can email both of those to me, or if you want to, you can save them into the class notes section of the OneNote on your personal parts of your OneNote. Either way, but just email me to let me know that you have done it. There will be a link for a Kahoot challenge, which I will email out in the email to you in the morning. And the other thing you could do today is to start your revision for the natural hazards test, which, as I said, will be Thursday, 2nd of April. If we have a look at the PowerPoint, just quickly, once it loads. So you will see we've kind of looked at all this stuff already for the mitigating climate change, and there's the video for renewable energy. Some more information about carbon capture and storage on slide number 8. But the videos that we didn't watch last time, 2 videos about on slide 13, and then really kicking off into adaptation, so talking about what adaptation is compared to mitigation. Talking about adaptation that we can make by changing agricultural systems. There's then a video for our managing water supply, so you need to watch that. And then look at page 55 to see what strategies are suggested to reduce water consumption, and I assess which one you feel will be the most effective. There's then a little bit of information about sea level rise, and again, sort of some text to explain it. And then the 9-mark question. So this is the 9-mark question. Mitigation is the best way to stop climate change being a global disaster. To what extent do you agree with this statement? Use examples to justify your opinion. And I've just realised I've missed the S of examples on that, so I will just edit that as well. So, for a 9-mark question, one like this, you are being asked to make a judgment. So it is very important that you write at least 2 argument paragraphs, and we would recommend that you do that using what we call peel paragraphs. So write your point, give examples and explain it, and then make sure you link it back to the question to show how significant that is in your argument. And you will also need a conclusion, because it asks you to what extent you agree with this statement. So you need to make some sort of judgment in the end and assess whether you kind of agree, whether you partially agree, whether you partially disagree, or whether you strongly disagree. Don't sit on the fence with this one. Do make a judgment in some way, shape or form. And then, the activities at the end. If you have any questions, I will be available throughout the whole of the lesson from 8:30 till 9:20 for you guys. And can you also please make sure that you register with me or sign in with me at the start of the lesson just by emailing and responding to my initial email in the morning. Okay, thank you very much.